is for apple. This is an apple. These are apples. B. B is for ball. This is a ball. These are balls. C. C is for cow. This is a cow. These are cows. D. D is for donkey. This is a donkey. These are donkeys. Next, E is for elephant. This is an elephant. These are elephants. F. F is for flower. This is a flower. These are flowers. Flowers. G. G is for goat. This is a goat. These are goats. Then the next alphabet name is H. H is for hen. This is a hen. These are hens. Hens. Next, I. I is for ice cream. This is an ice cream. These are ice creams. Next, J. J is for jar. This is a jar. These are jars. Jars. K. K is for kite. This is a kite. L. L is for lemon. This is a lemon. These are lemons. Next, M. M is for mango. This is a mango. These are mangoes. Next, N. N is for nail. This is a nail. These are nails. O. O is for orange. This is an orange. These are orange. Next, P. P is for penguin. This is a penguin. These are penguins. Next alphabet name is Q. Q is for quad bike. This is a quad bike. R. R is for rat. This is a rat. These are rats. Next, T. T is for tomato. This is a tomato. These are tomatoes. Next alphabet name is U. U is for unicycle. This is an unicycle. V. V is for violin. This is a violin. Violin. W. W is for water transport. This is a water transport. These are water transport. Next, X. X is for zebak. This is a zebak. Y. Y is for yogurt. This is a yogurt. Next, Z. Z is for zebra. This is a zebra. Thanks for watching.